Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the drop down list using Spring Boot application. Here this is a simple drop down list, right? So here data is coming from the Mysql database. So here is a database, okay. One of my students who asked me the drop down, how to make the drop down list in Spring Boot. That's why I made the program here, okay. So here this is the database. Here this is the student names I have listed into the drop down list, okay. This drop down list we are listed, okay, here, okay. So how to make this one step by step, only I will be explain this stuff only, okay. How to make the CRUD application, I have make the video. Those who are not watch my how to make the CRUD application in Spring Boot, I have gave the video description. You can watch it how to make the simple CRUD application using Spring Boot application. This video tutorial will be explain only the drop down list, right? So how to drop down list will be work, okay. So here this is the project, okay. So this project I already done, okay. So here this is all the project I have done. Additionally I have a one field that is a drop down list field only I have, okay. So those who are not watch my this project, you can, I gave the link in my video description. You just click on that link and you will be watch it, okay. So I additionally add one field here. This is the employee drop down list, okay. We have to fetch the data from the database and put into the drop down list and load, okay. So here this simple one, it's a div start, div close, the tr tag. Here I am going to this a name employee, say employee here, say employee. So here this is employee, this is the name of the label. Here is a drop down. So drop down, here I am going to select one, the select, close it. So here we have to name, this is the name, drop down name emp, this id drop down id emp. This is a class control mean this is a bootstrap style, okay. So here this one is a very important stuff, okay. This is the employee, this is the option. Inside the option, this is a collection of the drop down, okay. So here what I did here is, here we have to load all the data. So here this employee colon list employee. So we have to, what are the employees available in the list, it will be loaded. So here what I am doing here is, if I call like this, it goes to the controller from the data, fetch the data from the database. So here if you are calling like this, it goes to the controller where this is a controller which is this controller. This is a controller here. This is the controller we have selected. Okay, when you add the new record, the new. Okay, this controller when the form is loaded, this controller should load it. So this controller I have implemented this one. Model attribute list employees list. We have all the employee we have loaded. So all the employee list we have loaded. Okay, loaded and we have to put it like this. Model attributes and return to the new. New means this application we are returning. Okay, when the form is called, this application will be written. All the application we are loaded, all the data, what are the data available in the employee table, all the data will be loaded the particular column, employee names, right? So what I did here is loaded all the columns. Now let's back to our here, right? New, okay. So here we have write two things, value and text, okay. Here th value, employee id mean, what is the employee id? We have load only there are many fields are there, employee name, mobile, salary, all the things are there. We have to load only these two things only, id and name only fields we have to load it, right? This field and this field. So what I did here is, employee, this employee we have list this employee, list out this employee dot id mean the relevant id should be loaded along with the name, okay. So we have to write the text, we have to name. What the text, if you write like this, the text will be loaded. When the form is loaded, this text should be loaded. What are the information available? Employee names, right? Okay, so that I have load like this, emp name, okay. Okay, this when you add the record, what is the things added is not added the name. Instead of the name, it's adding in the id, okay. That's why we have to write the id here. Okay, very simple, okay. So here it's very simple. This CRUD application, if you are not watched that one, you must watch it. This is simple one we have loaded. Additionally, we added the field this one. New, this is a controller here. All the mapping like this, very simple. this is the simple scenario. Okay, how to load the drop down list, right? I hope you guys understood the things well. This complete project, how to make this complete project, I have attached the video my description. This project we have included only the one line, this drop down. Okay, you must watch it. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.